Let us solve for s given 9 raised to power x multiplied by 27 raised to power x is equal to 90. If you have a raised to power m to the power of n is equal to a raised to power n to the power of m, this is equal to a raised to power mn. Then here 9 raised to power s can be written as 3 square to the power of x multiplied by this 27 raised to power s can be written as 3 raised to power 3 to the power of x is equal to 90. This can be written as 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by x, 2x multiplied by this can be written as 3 raised to power 3 multiplied by x, 3x is equal to 90. If you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Now this can be written as 3 raised to power 2x plus 3x is equal to 90. This can be written as 3 raised to power 2x plus 3x, that is 5x, is equal to 90. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 3 raised to power 5x is equal to log 90. If you have log a raised to power n, this is equal to n log a. Then this can be written as 5x log 3 is equal to log 90. Let us divide both sides of this equation by log 3. This divided by log 3 and this divided by log 3. Log 3 cancel log 3 here. 5x is equal to log 90 divided by log 3. But 90 is equal to 9 multiplied by 10. 5x is equal to log 9 multiplied by 10 divided by log 3. If you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. 5x is equal to, the numerator can be written as log 9 plus log 10 divided by log 3. 9 is equal to 3 square. 5s is equal to log 3 square plus log 10 divided by log 3. Let us split this. 5x is equal to log 3 square divided by log 3 plus log 10 divided by log 3. 5x is equal to, this can be written as 2 log 3 divided by log 3 plus log 10 divided by log 3. Log 3 cancel log 3. 5x is equal to 2 plus 10 is equal to 2 multiplied by 5. Then log 10 can be written as log 2 multiplied by 5 divided by log 3. 5x is equal to 2 plus log 2 multiplied by 5 can be written as log 2 plus log 5 divided by log 3. This can be written as 5x is equal to 2 plus log 2 divided by log 3 plus log 5 divided by log 3. If you have log A divided by log B, this is equal to log A base B. 5s is equal to 2 plus log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3. But we are looking for the value of s. Let's divide the whole of this equation by 5, and this divided by 5. This 5 cancel this 5. S is equal to 2 plus log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 divided by 5. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. 9 raised to power s multiplied by 27 raised to power s is equal to 90. This can be written as 3 raised to power 5 s is equal to 90. Here we have 3 raised to power 5, bracket s is 2 plus log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 all over 5, all divided by 5 must be equal to 90. This 5 cancel this 5. We have 3 raised to power 2 plus log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 must be equal to 90. Here, this can be written as 3 square multiplied by 3 raised to power log 2 base 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power log 5 base 3 must be equal to 90. If you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. 3 squared, that is 9 multiplied by the whole of this is 2, multiplied by the whole of this is 5, must be equal to 90. Then 9 times 2 times 5, this is 90, is equal to 90, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Bye.